If you're even thinking about trying GENjourney AI, here are 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. This isn't just another AI tool, it's one of the most unique platforms released this year, and if you're in business or digital marketing, it could seriously change how you work. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and GENjourney AI has a few standout features, but also some quirks you need to be aware of. You can try GENjourney AI completely free right now from the first link in the description below. But before you do, keep watching, because there's one lesser known feature near the end of this video that could actually save you hours every single week. So, what is GENjourney AI? In simple terms, it's a next-gen AI software that combines automation, marketing workflows, and client communication all into one easy-to-use dashboard. It's especially powerful for small business owners, consultants, and agencies that want to streamline client interactions, follow-ups, and even review collection without juggling 5 different tools. First off, the onboarding is super smooth. GENjourney's setup wizard asks the right questions and actually customizes your dashboard based on your business type, something 90% of AI tools still don't do. Whether you're in real estate, medical, beauty, or local services, it molds itself around your daily operations. Second, its review generation system is surprisingly strong. It automates Google review requests via SMS and email without feeling spammy. Huge for local SEO and building trust fast. This alone can make a massive impact if you rely on reputation to drive leads. Third, GENjourney's AI-powered messaging system is smart, like smart. It doesn't just auto-reply with generic stuff, it uses context from your past conversations and customizes replies like a real team member would. Clients have no idea it's AI behind the scenes, and that's the point. Fourth, their missed call text back feature is a lifesaver. If you miss a call, GENjourney instantly sends a personalized text, capturing the lead before they bounce to your competitor. I've used similar tools that charge a premium just for this one feature. Here, it's baked in. Fifth, it's got built-in invoicing, appointment booking, and even email nurturing, all under one roof. No Zapier, no Frankenstein systems, everything just works together. That's rare, and for a just-released AI software, it's impressively polished. Sixth, the pricing structure is actually reasonable. And again, you can start for free using the link below. They don't lock essential features behind a paywall, which is refreshing. You can test the important stuff before even entering your card details. And finally, and this is the one most people miss, GENjourney AI gives you real-time insights on where leads drop off, what triggers a reply, and what's working across your entire pipeline. That kind of data helps you double down on what converts, without guessing. If you're serious about automating your business, improving response times, and making your client experience smoother than 99% of your competitors, GENjourney AI is worth a test drive. And again, you can try it 100% free from the first link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI tools over the past year, and I've listed my 10 top recommended AI softwares. You can try for free as well, right below this video. GENjourney is one of the most promising newcomers, but depending on your needs, there might be others worth checking out too.